Good morning, swing traders. This is Dan in the green trading room, and just wanted to show you this beautiful setup on ARRY with multiple time frame alignment, and that increases the probability of the trade moving in the intended direction, bullish in this case. And let's talk about what multiple time frame alignment means. The compelling pattern here is the daily chart. We had a bullish gap on this big old bar on huge igniting volume. So there's a little shock pattern here because it was in a downtrend. It broke support, lower lows, lower highs, declining 20 and 50 at the time, and that's a shock. Now, that wasn't a trade right then per se because there was no price void. There's tons of resistance to the left, but it just kept slicing through multi-month consolidation, but then it's extended to us. So we watch it and see what happens. So inside day, holding the upper 80% of this bar. Broke out again, 1, 2, 3, red bar, still far from the 20. Now today, it had a bullish gap up. It's another shock to this red bar, so that's one of our concepts, red bar ignored, is a trade of trend strength. And it's breaking out again. There's no resistance to the left, there's none. I don't know when this stock started trading. It looks like 2014, but it's making all-time high. So here's our wide range igniting also on the weekly, and today is Thursday, but if the week would close like this is a bullish 1, 2, 3 continuation on the weekly from multi-month consolidation at the rising 20, price void to the left. So that's in alignment. Finally, our monthly chart, we got a red bar ignored. Yeah, it's getting far from its 10-period moving average, but it made new lows, range expansion, no resistance to the left. So this is a directional trade. The only reason I'm not giving it as an official trade is because it's a biotech, and that has very high gap risk. And that's why we just don't trade them. But wanted to give you that lesson in case if you individually trade bios for whatever fundamental or other reasons, that's fine. And just wanted to show you this as being a beautiful example of multiple time frame and alignment. Good trading, everyone.